Did you know the first alarm clock could only ring at one time? In 1787, Levi Hutchins built an alarm clock that rang only at 4 a.m. because that's when he needed to wake up. He built the clock out of wood and metal, and it worked by swinging a hammer on a piece of string. And because this was the first alarm clock ever, there was no way to change the time. If you wanted to change the time, you had to build a whole new clock. That's a very niche product. I want to subscribe to this channel. Wait, what's the channel? It's called Mindblow Facts Top 10. We have more amazing tech facts like how the first iPhone was 10 times slower than today's iPhones. Subscribe now.